Portland Mayor Ted Wheeler plans to crack down on open drug use in the city. This week, he said new restrictions could be coming when he spoke at the Portland Business Alliance annual meeting. This came as the mayor talked about the daytime camping ban that goes into effect July 1st. Mayor Wheeler did not elaborate on what the restrictions would look like. Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us at 4. I'm Rick Asway.
And I'm Steve Dunn. Tonight, we're hearing from business owners who say putting more restrictions on open drug use would be a positive move by the city. KATU's Ricardo Lewis is live in Northwest Portland.
Ricardo, you spoke with the business owner in Old Town. What are they facing down there?
Well, the co-owner of the Society Hotel tells me there is often a large group of people that are doing illegal drugs up and down these sidewalks, and they say that's creating secondhand smoke in the air, which is impacting people's health, and they want to see something done about it. Portland Mayor Ted Wheeler says he is planning to put restrictions on open drug use in the city. The mayor says this would be a partner time, place, and manner restriction similar to the daytime camping ban passed earlier this month.
I believe this will help us get at the withering fentanyl crisis that we're also experiencing as a community.
KATU News requested an interview with the mayor to learn more about the proposed restrictions, but we were told there was no additional information that could be shared today, and his office would be providing updates mid-next week. Jessie Burke is the co-owner of the Society Hotel in Northwest Portland. She's been testifying to the county and the city, asking them to address the need for urgent policies surrounding secondhand smoke in the public from fentanyl and meth.
On the regular, I or my staff have to go outside and ask people to move along and do it somewhere else. And sometimes out of irritation with us, people will just blow the smoke in our faces.
Now, we did reach out to the Portland Police Bureau about enforcement. They said they haven't even seen the plan yet. So coming up tonight at 5, I also spoke with another woman who said she likely overdosed because of the smoke that was filling up her office.
To happen. That they can walk past somebody sticking needles in their arms.
Portlanders are fed up. They want to see more enforcement of open drug use. Mayor Ted Wheeler says he has a plan to tackle the illegal behavior, and a partner ordinance to the daytime camping ban could be announced very soon. Good evening. Thanks for staying with us, everybody. I'm Steve Dunn.
And I'm Rick Asway in for Deborah Knapp. Business owners and people who work in Old Town say they're often exposed to dangerous secondhand smoke from open drug use. KATU's Ricardo Lewis is joining us live now in Northwest Portland. Ricardo, a woman tells you she ended up in the emergency room.
She says that somebody was smoking an unknown drug near her, and she inhaled so much of it, she says she ended up in the hospital, and a doctor is saying that she possibly or likely overdosed on that drug, and that's happening along this sidewalk here in front of the Society Hotel. On the streets of downtown Portland, sometimes you'll get a whiff of an unknown substance someone is smoking. Diana Gladden says that smoke put her in the hospital.
We're getting sick. We have to walk through it. We have to breathe it.
She's newish to Portland and didn't know the extent of the open drug use problem until now.
I want to see enforcement for the laws that are already in place. I was told that open drug use was illegal as it stands right now. And I see a lot of officers that just walk by while people are shooting up or smoking.
Portland Mayor Ted Wheeler says he plans to crack down on open drug use in the city. This week, he said new restrictions could be coming.
I believe this will help us get at the withering fentanyl crisis that we're also experiencing as a community.
KATU News requested an interview with the mayor on Friday to learn more about the proposed restrictions. His office says more will come next week. Jessie Burke is the co-owner of the Society Hotel. She's encountered large groups of people doing drugs near her property.
I think everyone's compassionate to people's struggle, the struggle of addiction, but it doesn't mean that we all want to participate in that struggle.
Burke believes Measure 110 is making the problem worse, even though she supports the intent behind it. She's testified to the county and the city, asking them to create policy around dangerous secondhand fentanyl and meth smoke.
I think we've attempted to skip the line here a little bit and try and create policy, but we have no regulation process.
Now, those two women are supportive of any plan the city can come up with to curb the open drug use problem. We also reached out to Portland Police to see if they have learned about this plan, what the enforcement would look like, and they say they still haven't seen it. We're live in Northwest Portland. Ricardo Lewis, KATU News.
Ricardo, thank you for that.